An air fryer is a kitchen appliance that uses hot air to cook food, similar to a convection oven. The difference is that air fryers circulate hot air at high speeds, which results in faster cooking times and crispy, evenly cooked food without the need for added oil. Air fryers can be used to cook a wide range of foods, including vegetables, meats, and frozen foods, making it a versatile appliance for any kitchen. Links to our products mentioned in the video are available in the description below. We've listed the top 6 best air fryer and their important features, along with the factors you should evaluate to assist you to choose the ideal one for you. Number 6. Dash Compact Air Fryer. The Dash Compact Air Fryer is a healthier option for enjoying fried food without the added fat. It uses air crisp technology instead of oil, reducing added fat by 70 to 80%, while still retaining the flavor of your favorite fried foods. Say goodbye to residual smells hours after you've eaten. Not only is the Dash Compact Air Fryer quick and easy to use, but it's also energy efficient. With a 2K capacity fryer basket, you can simply set the temperature and timer, and your food comes out crispy every time, guaranteed. It takes less time to cook than preheating your oven, saving you time in the kitchen. The versatility of this appliance makes it perfect for picky eaters, large families, or those with busy schedules. From appetizers to desserts, you can cook a variety of foods in the Dash Compact Air Fryer, including 12 chicken wings, French fries, and even baked goods, all within minutes of setting the timer. Number 5. Ninja ESP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven. The digital crisp control technology offers precision-controlled temperature, heat source, and airflow for optimum cooking performance, making it a versatile kitchen appliance with 8-in-1 functionality, including air fry, air roast, air broil, bake bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm. This powerful 1800-watt machine can handle various cooking tasks. The interior height of the appliance is approximately 3. One of the key features is the ability to cook with less fat, as the air fry function can reduce up to 75% of fat compared to traditional deep frying, making your favorite fried foods guilt-free. The appliance also cooks up to 60% faster than a traditional oven on air roast, with a 60-second preheat and the ability to prepare full meals in as little as 20 minutes. Overall, this 8-in-1 versatile appliance with digital crisp control technology offers a convenient and efficient way to prepare a wide range of delicious meals with ease. Number 4. Kalorik MAXX Digital Air Fryer Oven. Introducing the Turbo MAXX, an appliance that offers ultra-fast cooking performance and helps save energy. With Turbo MAXX technology, cooking time is reduced by up to 22% for French fries, 37% for steak, and 27% for chicken compared to traditional ovens. This appliance can air fry, bake, toast, roast, rotisserie, braise, dehydrate, broil, and warm meals with just a touch of a button. With 21 presets to choose from, cooking a variety of meals has never been easier, perfect for families and households with multiple people. The MAXX has an extra-large 26-quart capacity and multiple rack levels that allow for cooking multiple foods simultaneously. It can fit a 14-pound turkey, 12-inch pizza, or up to 9 slices of toast in its cavity. The MAXX also comes with 9 accessories, including an air frying basket, baking tray, air rack, crumb tray, bacon tray, steak tray, rotisserie spit, forks, rack handle, and rotisserie handle, making cooking possibilities endless. Overall, the Turbo MAXX is a powerful appliance that can help prepare full meals in a fraction of the time, while saving energy and space by replacing the need for multiple appliances. With its many features and accessories, it's the perfect appliance for families who want to cook large, delicious meals quickly and easily. Number 3. CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. This appliance is the perfect all-in-one solution for versatile countertop cooking. It can air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast your food to crispy perfection with its rapid air heating elements. You don't need to preheat like traditional ovens, so it cooks fast, even, and crispy food. Plus, it makes healthy cooking easy by using 98% less oil than traditional fryers. Overall, this appliance is a great addition to any kitchen and can make cooking healthy meals a breeze. Number 2. COSORI Air Fryer Pro. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro is a versatile kitchen appliance that allows you to fry, bake, grill, and roast your favorite foods with little to no oil. It uses rapid air circulation technology to evenly cook food and has a large capacity, making it a great option for families or those who like to cook in batches. The Air Fryer Pro comes with a range of features, including multiple cooking presets, a digital touchscreen display, and a removable non-stick basket for easy cleaning. It also has a preheat function, which allows you to heat up the appliance quickly, and an automatic shut-off feature for safety. Overall, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro appears to be a popular choice among customers who are looking for a healthy and convenient way to cook their favorite foods. Many reviewers praise its ease of use, versatility, and quality of food it produces. However, as with any product, some users may have experienced issues with the appliance, such as uneven cooking or malfunctions. Number 1. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. Introducing guilt-free cooking with the air fryer. This kitchen appliance uses up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, making it a healthier option for your favorite foods. In a test against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries, the air fryer came out on top. The wide temperature range of 105 degrees to 400 degrees allows for gentle moisture removal or quick cooking and crisping with convection heat. The air fryer comes equipped with a 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate that can fit up to 2 pounds of French fries. It has a cord length of 2.6 feet. To achieve the best results, it's recommended to preheat the unit for 3 minutes before adding your ingredients. In addition to air frying, this unit also has a dehydrate function, which allows you to create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods for homemade snacks. The combination of low fan speed and low temperature enables thorough dehydration. For more detail, follow the link given in the description box down below. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.